मेरा नाम बाबू भाई आहिर है। मैं इस गारमेंट एसोसिएशन में करीबन 22 साल से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ। अस्मिता पार्क जो है वो हमारी एक गारमेंट इंडस्ट्री की रिक्वायरमेंट थी कि अस्मिता और हमारे एसोसिएशन और हम लोगों ने मिलके सक्सेसफुल करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट को कमिटमेंट दिया था। करीबन 25 से 35 हज़ार रोजगार यहाँ से खड़ा करेंगे। और जो ये पार्क बना है सिर्फ गारमेंट और टेक्सटाइल के लिए ही अस्मिता टेक्सटाइल पार्क बना है। बॉम्बे और यहाँ करीबन 90% डिफरेंस है जगह का, प्राइस और रेंट। उस वजह से यहाँ स्पेस ज़्यादा मिलती है, काम करने को इजी होती है और कंफर्टेबल है, क्योंकि ये बहुत दूर नहीं है। हमारी दो तरह की रिक्वायरमेंट है, एक बड़े मैन्युफैक्चर और स्मॉल और मीडियम के लिए। और 85% ये पार्क रनिंग है और इसमें 25,000 ऑलरेडी वर्कर काम कर रहे हैं। और अभी फेज 2 के लिए जो प्लानिंग है मयूर भाई का, उसमें करीबन 10 से 12,000 वर्कर और काम करेंगे। और महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट के हमारे को बुला के बात किया है कि और ऐसे 2 पार्क बनाना है महाराष्ट्र में। मेरा जो ब्रांड है वो सिर्फ फॉर्मल ट्राउजर बनाता हूँ। करीबन 30-35 साल हो गया मैं खुद अपनी ब्रांड से मार्केटिंग करता हूँ। इंडिया लेवल पे भी कर रहा हूँ और एक्सपोर्ट भी कर रहा हूँ। सारा मैन्युअल काम होता है गारमेंट में। इस प्रोडक्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन निकले उस हिसाब से मशीनरी भी लगाया है। वर्कर का प्रॉब्लम यहाँ बिल्कुल नहीं है। तो छोटे बड़े सब जो मर्चेंडाइज एक्सपोर्टर होते हैं वो भी यहाँ के छोटे छोटे यूनिट से माल लेते हैं। ट्राउज़र में बहुत डिफिकल्ट प्रोडक्ट था, उसको मैंने चैलेंज नाम रख के चैलेंजिंग जॉब करके सक्सेसफुल किया हुआ है।
My name is Jugal Mehta. My brand name is Libra. Firm name is Libra Products. We started with Asmita maybe 4.5 years ago. We are currently having 4 to 5 colors which are currently used for production. Before Asmita, manufacturing unit was in Ashish Industrial Estate, which was in Dadar. Location has certainly played an important role. So there we had a lot of space, racking, stocking. Initially we had the advantages for Octroi. We had a huge space. We had everything on the same floor. We had cutting, stocking, packing, all the aspects of the business covered right on the same path. And here the labor was easily available. So those are the advantages that we have in Asmita Texpa now. At the current time, it is the best time. We didn't have enough area. So other aspects about my business which I have been able to grow at this place, upcoming project of Asmita phase 2. Since we are in phase 1, let us briefly understand what are the benefits that phase 2 will have. See, Asmita phase 2 has a lot of additional advantage where in phase 1 we were lacking. So you can use for heavy industries, for heavy machineries, for embroideries where you will have zero vibrations. For upcoming manufacture, this is one of the best projects and you can be rest assured about Asmita.
Hi, my name is Puneet Kapoor, representing Creative Garments. We specialize in women's wear fashion clothing. So our factory over here right now, we run around 250 machines, manufacturing around 55 to 60,000 pieces per month. That most of our clients are European clients in Spain, France, UK. So the factory that we've made is based on compliance exactly as per their requirements, and being in Asmita gave us the opportunity to do that, which was provided to us by Asmita, and that's the reason that it's really helped us. In fact, if you ask me, it's one of the best parks that actually exist. We have 24/7 excellent electricity supply without any staggering or anything. Good part about Asmita is that they provided us skilled and unskilled labor, because unskilled labor also plays a very important role in our business. I'm not surprised if it's even double right now with Asmita, and I guess that's the reason why Asmita Part 2 is coming up already at a very high rate. The biggest advantage is it's all taken care of. We just have to pay our maintenance charges, which is very reasonable, and we till date never had a problem. We use our own tempos, trucks, loading, offloading. Bhiwandi was the farthest that we had ever gone, but then we did that with this industrial estate coming up over here. The Kalyan station is not more than a few kilometers from here. So I think the fact that you're so close to the station really helps along with the infrastructure that's created.
Manish Goel, Director of Pure Source Clothing, and we set this factory up around 5 years back. So that was 2014 September. We were the first factory to open in Asmita Textile Park. तभी पूरा park बना भी नहीं था. We were the first to set up here. We were exporting to various brands like Diesel, Desigual, Pierre Cardin, various other brands all over Europe. Since we moved here, we were producing around 100,000 pieces a month over here. For this, we were located in Chembur, and here we got one big space. Manufacturing became much easier, and we have 200 machines over here. We have around 250 to 300 people work at 100,000 garments a month. Whole facilities over here are very good, pretty well connected with by road to Bombay, so transportation is not a problem. We can complement each other's strengths. So there's printing, there's stitching, there's finishing, washing, all kinds of facilities available. Earlier our capacity was restricted to around 50,000 pieces. We have a bigger place. Asmita, initially when we came in it was difficult, but slowly and steadily as the units increased, more people started setting up facilities and manufacturing. People came to know about this park, and there's almost like 12 to 15,000 people working here. So phase 2, according to me, should have actually come up 3 years ago. Ashmita phase 1, full, I think long back. There's still a demand for it, and I mean anybody who want have a good manufacturing facilities should just grab the opportunity and buy this place in Ashmita phase 2.
So I am Hiren Veera, Director of Y2K Fashions Private Limited. We have our facilities here in Asmita Texpa, a 33,000 square feet of standalone building. Supply of textiles to most of the apparel and garment manufacturers. We are the early startup since last 30 years. Equivalent to this size of the building was located in Ghatkopar, and we had a strong 600 machine factory known as Fried Water, which was a very popular brand. Yeah, the main reason for shifting from Ghatkopar to Asmita, we were on rental basis, after which this is our own ownership basis, which makes sense by not just keep on paying rental all the time, and it's all clean business out here. Reason being, we have been at peace of mind doing business, that none of the problem is being faced out here. There is uninterrupted supply of electricity, water. Booked this property in the year 2010. Slowly, gradually, people started coming here, and property has appreciated more than 3 to 4 times. We have got easy access to the labor. Major station of Kalyan being just in the proximity of 5 kilometers. Idea of the park that the government of India has come out with is a very nice idea. Everything out is available here. So that makes easier for us and cost effective for the product, because Bhiwandi, Kalyan has been the hub of manufacture being transported by the transport people. In Asmita, it is a well planned building whereby loading, unloading. Besides that, after post loading, unloading, there is a transportation system that happens, which is a very, very crucial part. The logistic part has to be taken place, which is very easy out here, being Bhiwandi being very closer to the Asmita Texpa.
Hi, this is Pinkesh Trivadia, one of the directors of Juliet Apparels Private Limited. Company started from 1976 and it has been around 43 years. Initially, we started our business with innerwear, and later we started nightwear, night suits, salwar kameez, kurtis, leggings. Right now in Asmita Park, we have approx 3 lakh square feet manufacturing, stock and dispatch. The quality and production is increasing day by day, and it is getting better. The main reason to shift to Asmita was the area we are getting. There was no congestion in this area. The logistics are better to transport. Everything is under one roof. So there was no issue of traveling from Kurla, Chembur, other job workers to check our goods and get regular dispatch. The main reason to shift to Asmita was the space what we get, and it was everything under one roof. Area and logistics and transportation is much more easy, has been almost doubled. The quality has increased and production has also increased. The main factor was the availability of staff. Asmita is not just garment hub, it's a vision. The company which are manufacturing in Mumbai have their vision and shifted to Asmita. Asmita is concentrated only for garment purposes. Asmita is located in Bhiwandi, and Bhiwandi is of course the best logistic in Maharashtra.
मेरा नाम बाबू भाई आहिर है। हमारा नाइटवेयर में सुकन्या और जिग्ना 2 ब्रांड चलता है। अस्मिता से पहले हमारा मैन्युफैक्चर यूनिट सायन में था, और यहाँ पे आके काम बढ़ाने के लिए हमने यहाँ पे अस्मिता में जगह लिया। यहाँ पे कम से कम अभी 27,000 स्क्वायर फीट में हमारा काम हो रहा है, और वहाँ से काफ़ी बेटर है। अगर समझ लो किसको बिजनेस बढ़ाने का है तो प्रॉपर बॉम्बे में समझ लो जगह छोटी रहती है और कॉस्टली भी रहती है। जैसे कि वो 2 गाले की, उसमें यहाँ पे समझ लो कम से कम 10 गाले जितनी जगह मिल जाती है। कल्याण स्टेशन से समझ लो लगभग 4.5 किलोमीटर है। अस्मिता में आके हमारा बिजनेस अच्छा खासा ग्रो हुआ है, लगभग समझ लो डबल हो गया है। वहाँ पे हमारी फैक्ट्री थी तो वहाँ पे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इतना प्रोडक्शन नहीं हो पाता था, और यहाँ पे प्रोडक्शन अच्छा खासा हो रहा है। और हमारे पास लगभग 70% लेडीज़ काम करती है, तो हमको अब लेडीज़ आगे बढ़े वो ज़्यादा सोचते हैं। अस्मिता 2 जो होएगा वो अच्छा ही होएगा, उसका काम भी थोड़ा अच्छा करने वाले हैं। और ऑलरेडी समझ लो अस्मिता 1 सक्सेस है, तो उसमें तो कोई सवाल ही नहीं है कि वो सक्सेस ही जाएगा। और एक ही कंपाउंड है, सब एक ही टाइप का, इसके लिए कोई उसमें किसी को भी जगह लिया तो कोई वांधा नहीं आएगा। सब मतलब बेटर है, वहाँ की सब सुविधा, ये इसमें जो सुविधा मिलती है सब वहाँ पे मिलने वाली है।